This is a dairy farm. We milk approximately 200 cows, and here at this facility there's 265 acres. My father bought the farm in 1932. Of course, I was raised up on the farm. A typical day, well, I got up at 3:30 in the morning, 7 days a week for 50 years. I'd always go to the barn and milk. I've always felt fortunate that I had an occupation that I enjoyed doing. And there's always something different every day. It's something challenging every day. And even at my age, when you talk about quitting, you know, I just can't get there. I just don't want to do it. I'm Mac Pate, a dairy farmer from Tennessee. I'm dedicated to dairy, my cows, my milk, and my land.